There's been many instances where people have to sell their home because they can't afford it anymore. With interest rate going down is good news, but the home prices in San Gabriel Valley are still way too high for some, which leads to renting. I'm going to share with you currently what the renting situation is like in my market and what you need to be prepared. Hello everyone, my name is Ben Pie Champagne. I go by Ben Your Agent with Aguilar Realty Group, brokered by EXP Realty. I service the San Gabriel Valley area, but I'm open to working throughout LA, Orange County, and Riverside County. I specialize in new home construction, military relocation, company relocation, and love helping buyers and sellers achieve their real estate goals. I'm not recommending you ever rent, but if you have to, here are some facts. The average rent for a one-bedroom apartment in San Gabriel, California is $1,900 a month. The average rent for a two-bedroom apartment in San Gabriel, California is $2,400 a month. And so here's the big question. Will rent ever go down in California 2022? In California, average monthly rent increased 22%. From August last year to this year, it jumped from $2,200 a month to $2,700 a month. That's crazy. However, a handful of major cities saw rent prices decrease significantly. What is the max percent a California can raise rent by? Annual rent increases are limited to 80% of the percentage increase in the regional consumer price index. Overall increase may not exceed 10% in any 12-month period. Is there still a rent moratorium in California 2022? The California COVID-19 Rent Relief Program will continue to help eligible Californians at risk of eviction to apply to receive money for rent and utilities through March 31st, 2022 only. So it's pretty much done. Eviction protection are also through March 31st unless your local city or county has extended protection, which I'm sure LA County has till the end of this year. Did you know that 1.3 million Californians are late on their rent, census say? Which leads me to the next point. Landlords are cracking down on making sure their tenant can pay rent before accepting them. Here are things you need for a landlord to even consider you. Number 1, application through CAR or Rent Spree. Your agent can help you with that. It includes credit check and background check. Number 2, 2 to 3 months pay stub. Number 3, 2 to 3 months bank statement. Number 4, last 2 years tax return. 5, ID or passport. 6, you have to make 3 times the rent. Number 7, security deposit. Number 8, first and last month's rent. Number 9, pet deposit if needed. Number 10, renter's insurance. 11, deposit for keys. Number 12, transfer fee. If you don't have any agent to help you, you can find my contact information in the description. Thank you so much. If you want a free buyer's guide as well, please email me or call me. I would love to meet you in person and give you one. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.